Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day it is. Welcome! Here we've got a little video clip on how to do your first assignment, what's expected. So when you log into your Schoology course, you can check here to see what assignments are due today. So here you go, here you have your first assignment. And I'm just going to demonstrate how to get this done. So click on the link, and it'll open the assignment, and it gives you instructions. I try to give pretty detailed instructions. The first one says, watch the attached video clip, what's expected explained. Right now we can't do that because I'm making it, but by the time you're doing this assignment, there will be a link down here to the video clip, what's expected explained. Now, the first thing you're going to do is click on the second link to open the template, what's expected. So you'll click on that and it'll open a new tab called the template. Now you won't be able to write on the template. It's what I give to everybody, and so you can't write on it. What you need to do is make a copy. So you click on File and choose Make a Copy. And it's going to ask you for the name, and go ahead and take off the first part and just leave what's expected. Now, what you should also do at this point is make a folder for biology. So click on the folder and go all the way back. I'm not sure where you are, but go to the point where it says My Drive. And here you should click a new folder and just call it Biology A. Okay, call it Biology A. Now, I can't do that because I already have one. So I'm just going to call I should be able to do that. So My Drive, new folder, Biology A. Create folder. Okay, sorry, I guess my internet's kind of slow, but it'll make the folder. It says it's empty, but that's where you want to put it. So you click Select, right? And then you click OK. And now this is the version that you can write on. Okay, so it says what's expected, and so this is your custom version. It says use the course syllabus to answer the following question. Write your answers in the box provided in a color other than black. Yes, go ahead and put in your name, date, and period, and go right up here, and you can change the text color and pick a different color, something that's pretty bright, so that it's easy for me to see. I'm looking at like over 100 of these, and it just, it's hard to see when it's always the same color. So just mix it up, just pick a different color, right? And then you can go ahead and put in the answers. Now, where do you get the answers from? Well, you need that other document called the course syllabus. So if you go back to the What's Expected tab, there's another link down here called the course syllabus. If you click on that, it'll open up the course syllabus. And that's where you'll find the answers to the questions. Right? So here's the first question. What is the name of this class? So if you look in there, the name of the class, right here, the course title, the name of the class is Biology of Living Earth A. So you just go ahead and put that in, change the font color to blue. Biology of Living Earth A. Okay. Now, next question. What is the teacher's name? Just go back here and read through the syllabus, and you'll find the answers. And there's a little, it's kind of annoying to have to go back and forth every time. So there's a little trick. If you go up here, there's the squares, right? You got the line, the squares, and the X. The squares are called the Restore Up-Down button. So if you click on that, it restores it down. And then what you can do is you can separate the pages out. So I can grab the syllabus and put it out here. And then I've got my what's expected right here. Oh, that was the template. Can close that up, right? And so in this way, what I can do, and I can shrink the size if I want to zoom out so it's a little easier to see, right? This way I have them next to each other, and so I can type in the answer, I can follow along and then put in the answer. It might be a little bit easier than having to go back and forth. Okay, so that's the what's expected assignment. Just answer the questions, and then when you finish, you're going to turn it in to Schoology. But that's another video, which I still need to make, but it will be at the bottom right here. It'll be turning in assignments in Schoology. Okay? All right. So hopefully I've done a good job explaining it. If you still need help with this, go ahead and send me a message through Schoology, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. All right? Take care now. Bye-bye then.